Finish this sentence. Foreigners don't come here if what kind of foreigners should never come here?
I think foreigners should expect that Philippines is not a perfect country to live in. We have flaws. We have imperfections. As Filipinos, we have
They should accept that the Filipino is a very
improper budgeting actually. The first week they come here, they spend so much because
What makes Filipinos lose respect for foreigners? What is your name and how old are you?
hi, I'm Maui and I'm 20 years old.
Finish this sentence. Foreigners don't come here if
Mostly they have not seen a video that is promoting tourism po in the Philippines. Like if hindi nag-boom or the video has not gained their attention.
what kind of foreigners should never come here?
I think the kind of foreigners who should never come here are the ones who don't do prior research po about the basic culture and of course the manners that are applied here in the Philippines kasi it's basic manners po. Yes.
What mistakes do foreigners make on their first week?
Mostly, the mistake that I've seen foreigners done is improper budgeting. Actually, the first week they come here, they spend so much because there's so many things that are unique here in the Philippines. So I think maybe span of the moment, like the enjoyment and the fulfillment, and they naubos mo yung budget nila basically. Yes.
They run out of their budget. Okay, their budget run out. Okay, what makes Filipinos lose respect for foreigners?
I think aligned with my answer kanina is those who do not respect our culture in the Philippines. Like even the basic saying sorry or like mano po or if you're going to pass someone. I think it's very important in any country, not just in the Philippines, to know talaga yung mga basic manners, the basic manners. So I think that's disrespectful on our end and it makes us lose our respect for them.
You mentioned mano po. If they don't do mano po,
It's not that widely known din po kasi outside of Philippines, so maybe not that pero mano po is very important to us in our culture. So I think it's okay if they do not know it at first, but maybe if they're planning to stay here longer, they should research po about mano po and they should also apply it as well.
you mentioned about saying sorry. You know, foreigners that they don't say sorry to Filipinos or something.
Mostly the foreigners I've seen who don't say sorry are vloggers actually. It's like not generalizing all foreigners, but mostly the ones I've seen, they feel like they own the place. Like they're in a public setting. It's a public setting, so there's going to be a lot of other people, and they should be mindful of those people as well. And they should not only think of themselves. So when passing by crowded areas, they should say sorry or can I pass through? Because yes,
Vloggers.
yes.
Okay. What do foreigners need to accept before coming?
The main thing that they need to accept before coming here is that their culture is not the only culture in the world. That's my main point. It's really the differences in culture. So if they come here, their culture is not applied here anymore. So they should learn to adjust. That we Filipinos are not the only ones who should keep adjusting to the foreigners. They should as well because should be a two-way process po. Yeah.
Student, right?
Yes.
What are you studying?
Currently a second year student taking up Bachelor of Science in Architecture in ADNU po.
Ateneo is a really good school. They have a lot of smart students. Smart students. Okay, single or in a relationship, dating what?
Single but not available.
Single but not available. So you are in like a talking stage.
Yes.
Okay, but how long have you been single?
For most of my life, I guess.
No boyfriend since birth.
Yes, NBSB.
What are your names and ages?
My name is Rica po. I'm 18 years old.
Carmela po and 18 years old.
What kind of foreigners should never come here?
The rude ones, cause maybe Even told po.
The rude foreigners.
Yes po. The rude foreigners only po.
I think those foreigners who think some Filipinos or Filipinas are gold diggers, like, we all know that foreigners, some are rich, and they think, some Filipinas, go for a relationship with them just for a money.
What do foreigners need to accept before coming? They need to accept about the Philippines before coming here.
They should accept that the Filipino is a very jolly person. So they should be after they get here, they should be positive and they should not be shy to other Filipinos. That's all.
How about something negative about the people, the Filipino or the Philippines that they should accept before coming here?
They should think about the hold-uppers, just like that, because some Filipino, I can't deny it po, because some Filipino are scammers like that. They should be aware of them po. That's all.
How about you, Beth?
Same as what she said po. They must be careful of those hold-uppers. And I think some Filipinas are aiming just for money. Not all Filipinos. Some only.
Just be very careful, right?
Yes.
Be very careful.
All of those Filipinos, because some of us are respectful.
Some of them lang po.
I've been dying to ask, your hairs are, you color them, right?
Yes.
Why is that? I'm curious. I've been looking at their hair. Why is that?
Because it's summer na. We can color our hair na po.
Dye our hair
Okay.
for us to look more good.
So you think that you look prettier when your hair is colored?
Yeah.
Okay, so before it was black, before the summer.
Yes po.
I know, mine is already like this.
Okay. Still studying?
Yes.
Yes po.
Turning college.
What are you taking?
I'm taking RadTech, Radiology Technology, and USI.
Education po, major in English.
That's very nice. Okay, so both are students. So, what is it? Like, are you singles? Are you like in a relationships? Are you dating someone? What?
I'm single.
How long have you been single?
Since birth.
And you are 18.
Yeah.
I am dating someone.
You look very pretty tonight. You have your full makeup on. Like, look pretty. Where are you going?
We're just walking around po. Like, we're just getting some coffee.
You love coffee?
We do.
So much.
What is your name and how old are you?
Hi, I'm Shin. I'm 24 years old.
Finish this sentence. Foreigners don't come here if
Foreigners don't come here if they can't afford Philippines.
What do you mean by they can't afford if they can't afford the Philippines?
Well, there are other countries who are, which are, I think, underdeveloped or maybe developing countries. And I think there are countries that can't really afford Philippines as a tourist country or as tourist spots. So, yeah.
Well, I heard on social media that, like, for example, Siargao, very expensive, right?
Like Siargao, Siquijor, I guess, La Union, or maybe Puerto Princesa. They are really expensive. So foreigners can come here if they can't afford the tourist spots in the Philippines.
But realistically, like speaking, do you think foreigners cannot really afford to visit the Philippines?
I think yes, majority yes.
They can afford.
Yes.
What mistake do foreigners make, yeah, on their first week?
First week here in the Philippines, I think they don't know well the culture of the Philippines. So they tend to be surprised of us Filipinos being hospitable enough. We always smile and they feel like we're weird. No, so they feel like Filipinos are weird and yeah.
So, kind of like their expectations. Okay, so that's the first mistake that they do here. What makes Filipinos lose respect for foreigners?
In the same answer from the previous question, I think we lose respect for foreigners if they are not aware of our culture. Um, and they and if they respect our traditions.
Can you give us an example, like something that they don't, like about our culture that they don't respect?
Specifically in religion, we are in a Catholic country, and some foreigners don't respect that. Maybe because there's a difference when it comes to religion, and another thing, um, and when it comes to laws, they are not aware of our laws. Yeah.
Okay, last one. What do foreigners need to accept before coming?
I think foreigners should expect that Philippines is not a perfect country to live in. We have flaws. We have imperfections. As Filipinos, we have imperfections, especially in cleanliness and orderliness. Philippines is really different, especially from United States, European countries, etc. So foreigners should not expect more in the Philippines. But I am proud that I live here in the Philippines because Philippines is rich in natural resources, and I'm proud of that. And the culture is very rich, and we have more tourist spots that they can visit. So just don't expect too much.
I love that one. Don't expect too much. That's really true. 100% true. You're still in college, right?
No,
You're not. Are you a professor?
I'm a teacher.
You're too young. That's 24.
Yes, yeah.
Now what is this like? This is your first year teaching.
My second year of teaching, and I'm also into community engagement. So yeah.
We're very lucky. Very lucky. Okay. What are you studying?
I'm studying master's degree, business administration.
Very young, 24, and you've been teaching for 2 years. Wow, I'm so proud of you. Your parents must be proud of you. Single or are you in a relationship?
I'm single.
How long have you been single? How long have you been single?
I don't know. More or less, half a year. Yeah.
Well, anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time and your honesty. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we have earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member where members have access to over 100 exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflections are all I can see as I live from